Today we'll be talking about belay-specific carabiners. One of the most important aspects of a belay carabiner is that it reduces the ability to cross-load, and also that it's very strong and easy to lock. To start off, we have the Gravelle Omega HMS twin gate locking carabiner. What makes this carabiner really cool is that it has two gates, so it makes it very strong and very easy to lock. What you do is you open the first gate, put it through your belay loop, and then push the second gate through. One of the great things about this locking carabiner is that it's not limited to just belaying. Next we have the simplistic Petzl Williams screw locking carabiner. What's great about this is that it has a screw locking gate. It opens, has a wide opening, and very easy to use. It's good to have a few locking carabiners like this, as they can be used for a variety of tasks. Next we have the very belay specific Black Diamond Gridlock carabiner. What makes this belay carabiner great is that it's impossible to cross-load it. All you do is you open up the gate and it opens up that trigger. You put it through your belay loop, close it, and then simply open the gate again to get it into its right position. And then after locking the gate, you're ready to belay. This carabiner is impossible to cross-load. Black Diamond also gives you a magnetron version of this, which uses magnets to lock it instead of a screw gate. Next we have the Dmm Belay Master. Similar to the Black Diamond Gridlock, this carabiner has a plastic gate that opens and closes. It has a screw lock here, so you can unlock it, put it on your belay device, close it, you'll lock that screw gate, and then simply close that plastic wing. You have a great carabiner here that's specific for belaying. Whether you're choosing a belay carabiner that's more specific to belaying or one that's a little bit more well-rounded, it's important that you're able to lock the gate of your carabiner, ensuring that the carabiner is not able to open while you're belaying your partner.